Hello, this is Wagner. For this presentation, I'm going to talk about the association of acoustic traits with parental care in a neotropical frog species from Costa Rica. In frogs and toads, advertisement calls are frequently emitted by adult males during breeding seasons to confer information about the quality of a possible mate to breeding females, while also conveying a territorial signal to conspecific males. In species of the family Centrolenidae, commonly known as glassfrogs, multiple lineages have evolved a great diversity of parental care behaviors that have influenced the structure of their vocalizations. In accordance with a hypothetical trade-off between calling and attending offspring, parental care may influence calling behavior as non-attending males could spend more time calling than males that attend egg clutches. Male-only egg attendance is a synapomorphy in members of the genus Hyalinobatrachium, small to mid-sized stream breeders that use the lower surfaces of leaves for oviposition and calling purposes. In this study, we assessed the variation of call traits in relation to parental care under natural field conditions in Hyalinobatrachium talamancae, a species that exhibits paternal care during day and night. We conducted fieldwork at Veragua Rainforest, located in Limón Province, in the Costa Rican Central Caribbean. We recorded the calls of adult males using a digital recorder and a directional microphone positioned at about 1 to 3 meters in front of the focal individuals. We classified frogs as attending to refer to individuals found with at least one egg clutch on the same leaf, and non-attending to refer to individuals with no clutches on the same leaf as the male. We measured spectral and temporal parameters of 621 calls using the software Raven Pro. Calls were assessed based on call rate, call duration, and dominant frequency. Oscillograms were used to manually obtain the number of calls per minute and to calculate the call duration. Spectrograms were used to obtain dominant frequency. Figures A and B show an example of a spectrogram and oscillogram of the call, respectively. The x-axis of both figures indicates time. In figures A and B, the y-axis shows the frequency and the amplitude of the sound, respectively. Figures C to E show the association between parental care and air temperature with the number of calls per minute, dominant frequency, and call duration. The x-axis shows the temperature values, the y-axis the call traits analyzed, the red line the values of attending males, and the purple line the values corresponding to non-attending males. Our results show that the number of calls per minute was associated with parental care displays as non-attending males called more often than attending individuals. Dominant frequency and call duration were not affected by parental care and/or temperature. Our study provides field and quantitative evidence that attending individuals have a lower call rate than non-attending individuals. Our findings, together with the offspring survival under continuous care known for the species, may suggest some interesting implications for the evolution of visual signals in these species. In particular, prolonged paternal care might allow for selection towards males attending for a higher number of clutches, and females might thus prefer better adapted parents, that is, males that continue to vocalize while continuously caring for multiple egg clutches. The interplay between sexual selection and parental care may possibly contribute to the emergence of visual displays in the form of egg attendance within and among populations of anurine species with prolonged parental care. We thank the following friends, colleagues, and institutions for their support to conduct this research.